Are you listening? Damn.
Market had stuck in this region. A little change in Bitcoin dominance, all the gainers become losers and vice versa. Well, let's look at some news and some local progress of the altcoins. You're watching Crypto Hamster channel. Let's go.
Let's go.
Some news at the beginning. You remember last time I was talking about the Yale University invested in crypto. Now Harvard, Stanford and MIT also did the same thing. So domino effect, who knows, but anyway, it's the positive news. Many people saying, oh, let's hold now. So probably a sort of positive news for the whole crypto. Second thing is Blockstream's liquid network now is live. It's sort of similar to Lightning Network, but when Lightning Network is a secondary layer solution, the liquid network is the sidechain of Bitcoin. So also some technical progress. Finally, just like adjacent fields, the stock market got some dip last day, and probably this is the most plunge since February. Many people buy the dip, many people expect the better, even higher rise. So, but who knows? As I said, maybe it's just the few indicators that it's not actually in the rising trend anymore. It shows some awareness of people of being in that like very unsafe position, right? Okay, so let's look at the price at Bitcoin now. Yesterday we had a drop down to 6,500 and we returned back quite fast. So nothing really changed, the same level. So everybody like, oh, we're going down, but no, we are just bounced off of this. So now it's actually like a new corridor around between these two levels. Boring, just freaking boring. You remember I was showing you the longs performance, and with this rise, longs also increased very much. And then now again, they sort of following the trend of Bitcoin, which is hilarious. But yeah, that's how it looks like. Nothing changed in terms of the expectation, so we probably will test this higher resistance at 6,800 or a little bit higher, and then go down. So far the volatility is again very low, so market is waiting for some maybe news or some strong move from the huge players to follow. Some local changes in the well, actually, yeah, let's talk about the altcoins. Some local changes in the performance. There is one altcoin which I didn't talk about. It's LBRY Credits, and you see how long again it's in a very I would say bottom, but like it's falling for this Bitcoin market, and it was expected from many that this was the bottom and now it's time to go up. But actually what happened that it broke the bottom, at least from the Bitcoin perspective, and now it is starting to rebound. But actually this was very scary for all of the people. So this is just to point out that please don't forget that even the bottom, maybe not the real bottom, if it's a historical low, it can easily break downwards. The second one, which I was talking about yesterday, District OX, it shows actually like it was maybe even more, up to 16%, I remember. So like this, yes. So it increased quite a lot with a nice volume, and now it is correcting, so but actually return back to the rise. Maybe we'll have again the increase in price, but so this is how the performance of such altcoins which are at the very bottom should look like. So I hope that many, or at least a few of them which we were looked at, also will do good. Speaking about the like smaller, not smaller, but like those which made smaller changes, not so bad. For Qtum made like 5%. Now it's actually on the rise. We were waiting for a while. Substratum finally changed the trend a bit with the gain. Workchain is still in the plus. So, but still, when one day they're in the plus, another day they're in the minus. So it's not something that is like the dramatic change or constant change, except the Quark chain. Quark chain is doing good actually for the whole like this month and a half or something. So that's it for today. Don't forget that everything that I say is my personal opinion, not financial advice. Safe trading, guys. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.